Rajesh Bheda. I'm founder of Rajesh Bheda Consulting. We are a management consulting firm working for the garment industry. We work with manufacturers, brands and development agencies for improving the performance of the garment industry. As we said here, that let's work together for improving or achieving the productivity improvement potential worth $7.2 billion US. That's what we believe productivity improvement can do for the garment industry. It will also ensure that the lives of the people associated with the industry will improve and the profitability of the units will improve. They will be able to invest into sustainability and take the industry forward. So here in the exhibition, they're participating for the first time and we are quite happy to be here. We are able to meet our partners. We have worked in Bangladesh with more than 300 manufacturers. We are happy to meet them here. And the key message what we are working on, and again you'll be able to see behind, your multi-million-dollar aircraft is as good as the pilot that flies it. So we focus a lot on developing the capability of people, take a human-centered approach to be able to develop the future-proof managers who can lead this industry to a sustainable future. We are quite happy to have come to the Garment Technology Show Bangladesh. This is the first time we are exhibiting and we are extremely happy with the response and our best wishes for the future editions of the show.